Welcome to XTechie. Getting started with AWS. Chapter 2. Today we are going to see how to secure your AWS account. How to create user group, user, and access key. First topic today is secure your AWS account. To secure your AWS account, you have to enable MFA, multi-factor authentication. To enable MFA, click on your username. Then, click on Security Credentials. That leads to your Security Credentials page. Then click on MFA. Click on Activate MFA. This time, pop-up window, pop-ups. Check Virtual MFA device from list of options. You can use Google Authenticator as Virtual MFA device. Click Continue, then scan QR code in Google Authenticator app. It will display MFA code. Enter MFA code 1 inch. And wait for next code load. Enter in MFA code 2. Click on Assign MFA. The message displays Successfully assigned virtual MFA. Sign out to test MFA. MFA being asked. Enter MFA code to log in. This how you created MFA to secure your AWS account. How to create user group, user, and access key. We are going to look at how to create user group, user, and access key. Type IAM in search bar. List will scroll down. Click on IAM, that will take you to IAM dashboard. Here you see, user group, users. I'm going create new, user group. For that, you have to click on user group, under access management. Click on create group, that lead to create user group page. Fill user group name. If you have any questions, please comment below. I'll respond to them. Ignore add user. Enter EC2 and press enter key. In the grid, select EC2 full access. And then click on create group. Spaces not allowed in the group name. Remove the spaces in group name. Then click on Create Group. The user group is successfully created. We are going to see how to create users. For that, you have to click on Users under Access Management. Then, click Add Users. That will take you to the 5 steps wizard. Enter username. Select credential type. I'm selecting both the options. And then, console password. At next user sign in, you don't want to change password uncheck, require password reset. Click on Next Permission. On Permission tab, select EC2 Access, which we have created in this video. Next Tags. Tags. We can organize and track. And then review user information. Click on Create User. Permission, while creating user group we have mentioned, is applied. Sign in as IAM user. If you have any questions, please comment below. I'll respond to them. If I select Athena, permission error will displayed. If I select EC2, I am able to create EC2 instances. No error displayed. Today we have learned how to secure your AWS account, how to create user group, user, and access key. If you have any questions, please comment below. I'll respond to them. In the next video, how to set up the AWS CLI and introduction to EC2. Thank you for watching XTechie.